Hi, I'm David Victor, president of American Educational Institute. I'm on set with Dr. Barry Franklin, who many of you are thinking I've seen him before, and indeed you have. He's been on our program numerous times over the years, one of our perennially best received speakers. Today, he's about to give a presentation on interpreting conventional exercise stress tests in a way beyond the conventional to reveal a wealth of data. I'll let Barry explain more fully. Barry.
Thanks, David. Yes, oftentimes when people look at stress tests, physicians look at stress tests, they look almost solely at ischemic ST segment depression. Today I'm going to share with you the host of other variables that have tremendous prognostic significance. Chronotropic impairment, impaired blood pressure, exertional hypotension, the peak MET capacity, heart rate recovery, PVCs, the presence of bundle branch block. All of these things we now realize have tremendous prognostic significance, and if taken into account, can give you as accurate or better interpretation than some of the high-tech technology, exercise MPIs, exercise echoes. So I hope and I think you'll find this fascinating.
Okay, now I'm going to confess, I lied a little bit. He's not about to tape that talk, he already taped it. It's really good, I hope you'll watch it.